So, what is a marketplace binder payment? The binder payment is the first payment you make to activate your marketplace plan. There are four ways to submit your payment, and I prefer to submit my client's application and the binder payment on their behalf at the same time. By doing this, they get their IDs quicker, they have their IDs in hand, and then they're able to manage their insurance by accessing their member portal. That is by far the quickest and the most efficient way to submit your binder payment. You can also wait until you show up in the insurance carrier's system to make a payment over the phone, using a website link, or waiting until you get a paper notice in the mail. Now, be mindful if you try to make a phone payment or a website link payment and it's open enrollment, you're probably not going to show up in their system for several days. So don't expect to submit your application and call them right away or the next day and they show up and they say that you show up in their system. That's just not going to happen. So you have to wait until you're in their system to even make a payment. If you wait until you get a paper notice in the mail, we are talking several weeks it takes to get your ID. So say you submitted your application, you've got 7 to 10 business days to receive that notice in the mail, then another full week for them to get your mailed payment, and then another 7 to 10 business days for them to mail you your ID. I never recommend waiting until you get a paper notice in the mail. Sure, you can wait until you show up in the system and make a payment over the phone or through the website link, but the quickest and most efficient way to make sure that you have coverage is making a payment at the same time as submitting your application.